Toy and praise toys.
Whoa, look at that big Play-Doh egg. We need to have the PJ Masks help us get it out of there. Should we open these guys up?
Yeah, help Romeo in.
You're gonna help Romeo?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get him out of there.
And Gecko.
And Gecko?
Yeah.
Let's move this guy over here. Alright, let's open it up. What's inside here? We got all the PJ Masks. Are you excited?
Yeah.
You're dancing because you're happy?
Yeah.
Whoa, look at these guys. What do they do?
Talking guy.
You're going to press Gecko?
Here's Owlette.
There's Owlette.
And Catboy, look.
Hi, Owlette.
What is the dragon prize Catboy?
Whoa, look at that giant prize egg, Owlette.
Let's open it.
Wait, we need to free these other guys out first. Let's get Romeo and Gecko out.
Giant prizes.
Whoa! Look at that, Owlette.
Almost as Romeo.
We just need Romeo, huh? Ha ha ha, you PJ Masks. You're trying to get the surprise egg that I built and free all the candy and all the blind bags.
I'll never get that. I hope you're opening it.
Romeo, what did you do to our city?
No, let's just keep open it.
What'd you do to our city? Did you put it into that big egg with Play-Doh on it?
No, let's keep open it.
Should we open it?
Yeah.
Wait, Owlette, can you help us too?
Yeah.
Okay, Owlette, help us. Oh, looks like you're doing it with your face. Great job.
So, no risk.
Well, help if I stand on top of it. Whee!
No, just keep opening it. Romeo will open it too. Romeo will open it too. And Gecko will open it. Look. Good job, Gecko. Good job, Gecko, Dad.
Good job, Gecko. Can Catboy help?
Okay. And I'll let go help.
Okay. Do they talk? Whoa, use Super Gecko's muscles. Gecko can climb the egg. He's climbing the egg. Hurry, get Catboy's super speed and try to take it down quick.
And I'll do it on my wings.
Ha ha ha, PJ Pests. You'll never get it open. Quiet, Romeo.
I'll never get you. Ah!
Whoa. Ouch, Gecko. You got him. Owlette, stomp on him. Whoa.
Okay. Let me open it too.
Oh, what's inside? Smash it open. Whoa.
Prize!
Whoa, what's in there?
Prize!
Whoa, grocery store candy bar. Yuck. Should we open it up? Oh, what else did we get in there? What else is in there?
And Flyback. And Catboy. And Gecko.
Whoa, and look at all this candy.
Okay, let's open the Grossery chocolate bar.
Should we open the grocery store?
Yeah.
Alright.
PJ Masks. Open it.
Whoa, that's a flyer. PJ Masks, have Gecko help you open it.
Gecko. Let's open
Good
the
job.
blind bag.
Can you open that up for me? Whoa, ew, that looks caca. What is that? Don't show Catboy. You'll gross him out. No, don't get me. Awesome. What else did we get?
Romeo.
Oh.
I'll never get you.
Ha ha ha. I'll spoil all your food. What's in this one?
That's a hamburger in here.
Oh, look at C. Whoa, gross. Yucky. Ew. Better scare Romeo with it. Ew, you don't want me to eat that. Ah. Eat eat slime, Romeo. Oh, you PJ pests. How am I supposed to get out of this one? Hey, what's this? A PJ Masks blind bag. Series 1. Should we open it up and see what's inside?
Never get you, guys.
Oh no, who's in this blind bag? Catboy. Look at him in action.
At the same time.
Wow, Catboy, Series 1 PJ Masks blind bag. In action.
Time.
Yeah. Super cool.
And never get you, PJ Masks.
Let's line them all up.
Please. And never PJ Masks.
Let's put them right here in slime.
Never PJ Masks. Get in the swine. Get you. Where's the big swine go? Yeah. Ew, I can't see anything, Daddy.